My name is Browning Wayne. I'm a web developer for uh, Tech Solution. Today, I want to introduce about the non-profit organization called Texas Campaign for the Environment. This is a non-profit organization help protect and clean the environment in Texas, uh, in Austin, Texas. So the first thing can we define what's the environmental uh, pollution. Environmental pollution can be defined for anything physical, chemical, or biological, anything to do to damage for the environment, uh, dirty water, uh, air pollution, and land pollution. So have three type of pollution. The first is the water pollution, and air pollution, and land pollution. With the image, you can know you know how is it really pollute environment. The reason from the reason of uh, pollution because the nature absorb water pollution and waste the water discharge from industry, commercial bodies. This industry are the chemical, metallurgical, food processing industry, textile, paper industry, and the water pollution in human makes can also occur naturally by addition of soil particle to animal waste leaching up animal from rock and cause of air pollution, the carbon dioxide from the manufacturer or car released from car and manufacture industry into the air, and too much carbon dioxide in the air damage the environment. Consequence of the air environment, so many people get sick. They have problem with lung, and the reason for land pollution, construction, domestic waste, industrial waste, and air pollution is the introduction of chemical, biological, uh, a type of waste. Have a couple types of waste that damage in environment, chemical, land, or oil, nuclear waste, activity, and after the mission of non-profit organization, when we talk about the, the missions, they are non-profit organization focusing on creating pollution-free environment in Texas by using their door-to-door canvassing process. By going door to door, they can talk to the people within in the community about the current health environmental issue that they are facing, and they educate the people around the community to let they know how to protect environment and what they should do, what they shouldn't do. The revolution of organization, the Texas Command for environment focus on solving environmental problem in Texas. Right now, they're working on two projects. That's it, toxic waste and human waste. What the toxic waste? A toxic waste harm everything that you come into the contact with drainage that the groundwater like. After the Hurricane Harvey, so many chemical came from industry manufacture include oil they release in the river that starts to damage the river, and then the people when the people drink that water or use the water or animal or plant, and it start to damage. And Texas, how bad is it? Oh, 1,500 times weaker than national standard and 40 times weaker than. And this is a map of toxic waste in Texas. All the rest uh, triangle over here show where the toxic waste damage land of Texas. And another project working on the human waste. The human waste. Every human throw out seven pounds of garbage every day, and total 60 million water bottle, and the number very impressive. The DFW area recycle about 22% to only to 22%, less than our 34%. So we still have a lot of ways how to solve. Very bad. So how bad is it? For dioxin near its level more than 2,000 times. EPA is organization of government. They have the quality damage of chemical effect to the human life. And the solution of Texas campaign, they they work on zero waste campaign for reduced waste material by up to 95%. They try to solve the waste problem to zero waste in Texas. Every trash and thing to have to be recycled. But what did they do? They protect the agency original office dollars, and they collect 2,300 letters from our community and family to help the revolution. And Donald Trump president signed a bill for 115 million to clean up Texas toxic waste, and a benefit of community multi-family build the house in the DFW resident have the perfect environment, and they have a good life, good air, and you can way result just end up a local landfill come from commercial multi-family. But the organization favorite problem is the community rejection cut cut money by 30% of the fund when they run the uh, organization. They don't have enough the fund of finance uh, to maintain the organization, also to reduce waste. This is a number you can find. This in 2017 revenue total 238 over $238,000, $100,000, and number also in 2017 that spent total 22 no 223 $100,000. It's a pictures of organization. President Trump processed the package a cut over the past few decades before 1995, and after after the decade, tax fund and number cleaning up declined by 37% over 15 years. So how to help the Texas campaign for the environment? They work full time to shape it for air, water, and land, so you can help them by donate. Though it's a website you can donate from $5 to $200 to help the organization continue to educate and clean up Texas. And you can volunteer at the website, sign up and volunteer. Thank you.